Solving exponential equations using logarithms base 10. For problem 1, we are going to solve the equation for x and express our answer in terms of base 10 logarithms. Here we have the exponential equation of 10 to the power of 6x minus 4 equals 12. Let's put it in logarithmic form, which allows us to solve for the exponent. So we can say that 10 to the power of 6x minus 4 equals 12 is the same as log base 10 of 12 equals 6x minus 4. This is saying that the power I need to raise 10 to get to 12 is 6x minus 4, or 10 to the 6x minus 4 power is equal to 12, making these equivalent statements. This form makes it easier to solve for x. And we could start by adding 4 to both sides to start isolating x. We end up getting log base 10 of 12 plus 4 equals 6x. Now we divide both sides by 6 to solve for x. And the answer to x in terms of base 10 logarithms is going to be x equals log base 10 of 12 plus 4 all over 6.